Hello, my friend. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Don't worry. Today we will practice 50 easy sentences. I will say the sentence. You repeat after me. Then we say it together. Let's begin. Daily routine sentences. I wake up early. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. Now sentences about. Asking for help. Make sure to repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain it? Can you explain it? Let's try again. Let's try again. Now the sentence is about free time, so repeat after me. I play football in the park. I play football in the park. I visit my family on Sunday. I visit my family on Sunday. I go shopping with my friends. I go shopping with my friends. I like reading books. I like reading books. I watch movies with subtitles. I watch movies with subtitles. Let's talk about weather sentences. Make sure to repeat after me. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Yesterday was cold. Yesterday was cold. It sometimes rains. It sometimes rains. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I like spring. I like spring. Now sentences about the restaurant. Do not forget to repeat after me. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Can we go to a restaurant? Can we go to a restaurant? I'd like a sandwich, please. I'd like a sandwich, please. I want a glass of water. I want a glass of water. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. Now talking about home, keep repeating after me. Will enhance your speaking fluency. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. I live in Lahore. I live in Lahore. Do you like living here? Do you like living here? Yes, it's a nice place. Yes, it's a nice place. Now we talk about transport sentences before we move. I request you please subscribe, like this video, share with friends. Now talk about transport. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? Does this bus go to the city center? Does this bus go to the city center? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? The traffic is heavy today. The traffic is heavy today. Let's talk about shopping. Repeat after me. I need to buy clothes. I need to buy clothes. Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on? Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? This one looks nice. This one looks nice. Now sentence about polite expressions. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. Get well soon. Get well soon. Now, final sentences are about learning English. I study English every day. I study English every day. I learn new words. I learn new words. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Step by step, I'm improving. Step by step, I'm improving. I will not give up. I will not give up. Great job, my friend. You practiced 50 easy sentences today. Repeat them many times. Use them in daily life. I'm your teacher, Mark, here to make English simple and fun. Before you go, subscribe. Like this video. Share with friends. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Step by step, you are improving every day. See you in the next video.